Rating the fidget toys I have in my classroom. These are called Racky Tracks and they're really durable. They last for years. You can create a lot of different shapes with them and they come apart so you can create unique color combinations. Stretchy strings and they live up to their name. They're awesome to stretch and they're great for fidgeting, but it's also a con because then they can hit each other from really far away. They also get really dirty easily and look disgusting, and then when students put knots in them, if they tighten the knots, they're impossible to get out. These are new ones that I just got. I'm gonna put them in my reflection area for when you need to de-stress. They feel amazing. I do anticipate them getting dirty easily though.